Good evening, children. Yesterday's constructions you have practiced. So we have today few more types of construction. Yesterday, finally, I just concluded construction of a triangle with base angle, and sum of the two sides given. How to construct a triangle? Okay. Now, before moving to the next tab, again I will do the yesterday's construction. Construction of a triangle where base angle and sum of its two sides given. Take down the question now. Take the question. Question number 1. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equals 6 centimeter and B equals 60 degree and AB plus AC equals 8.4 centimeter. Take the question which is on the board. Since this is construction chapter, I am not sending the worksheet. You can easily copy the question, only limited questions. Then after completion of the construction, I will give one assignment sheet as a practice paper. Okay? Take the question, start your construction. What is the first step? You have to draw a baseline measuring 6 centimeter. There I will write the steps of construction. 6 centimeter. Name it as BC. Write the measurement 6 centimeter. Now the given base angle is 60 degree. You all know how to construct a base angle without using protractor. Okay. So now take your compass with convenient radius, construct here 60 degree. Construct 60 degree. Okay. After constructing 60 degree, now extend the line passing through that arc. Later we have to cut off 8.4 centimeter. Suppose if you are not possible to extend your compass, you can use a scale for 8.4 centimeter. Take 8.4 here. From here it is 8.4. Name it as D. Then join D to C. Join D to C. Okay. Now we know further we have to proceed by constructing the perpendicular bisector. So taking C as center, radius more than half of CD, draw very light arcs. Don't go with bright lines, just smooth arc here you do, and further cut off the former arc. Okay, we need to draw the perpendicular bisector, that is construction number 1. Checking more than half of CD, drawing arcs on both the sides with the same radius, cutting off the former arc. Now, passing through those two intersected arcs, draw a line that is perpendicular bisector to CD. So name this point as A, then join AC. This is how we could construct triangle ABC with base angle 60 degree, base 6 centimeter, and sum of two sides is 8.4 centimeter. This perpendicular bisector to it for CD. So I will write the steps of construction. After completion of the construction part, write the steps of construction. Step 1, draw a line segment BC equals 6 centimeter. Second point, construct at point B construct an angle right here and construct an angle 60 degree at point B such that angle CBX equals 60 degree. Next, now cut off the ray BX at D such that BD equals 8.4 centimeter. Next point, can you see? Can you see this? Next point, join DC and draw. Join DC and draw perpendicular bisector intersecting AD intersecting BD at point A. Now join AC and measure AB and AC. Triangle ABC is the required triangle. So after the construction, measure the side AB and AC. Write up the measurement below the construction. Okay, na? I will repeat the question statement. Step 1. What is step 1? Draw a line segment BC equals 6 centimeter. Draw a line segment BC equals 6 centimeter. Step 2. Construct an angle 60 degree. Construct an angle 60 degree such that angle CBX equals 60 degree. Third point, now cut off the ray. cut off the ray BX at D such that BD equals 8.4 centimeter. Question step 4. Join DC and draw the perpendicular bisector intersecting BD at point A. Join AC and measure AB and AC. You have to write the measurement AB and AC such that AB plus AC you must get 8.4 centimeter. AB and AC. Now ABC is the required triangle. Complete the construction with its steps. Next question. So among the type of the construction, first type is construction of a triangle when base angle, sum of two sides given. Now I will move on to next type where base angle, difference of two sides given. Okay. So let us take the question. Construct a triangle PQR. Construct a triangle PQR in which QR equals I'll write the question here. Construct triangle PQR such that QR equals 6.2 centimeters, angle Q equals 45 degree, and PQ minus PR equals 1.5 centimeter. So I will repeat the question. Construct a triangle PQR such that QR equals 6.2 centimeter, angle Q equals 45 degree, and PQ minus PR equals 1.5 centimeter. What is the first step here? Draw the baseline QR equals 6.2 centimeter. You have to take exactly here. I am showing the format only because in 6.2 it is very small. So you have to take in your book exact scale measurement 6.2 centimeter. Now the base angle is 45 degree. To get 45 degree, first we must construct 90 degree further bisect it. Okay. So now I will show you how to construct 90 degree with convenient radius. Draw an arc. 60 degree with this again 60. In between 30 degree we will get it. So that 60 degree will be added to 30 degree. Total you will get 90 degree construction. We are not requiring this 90 degree, so show that with the dotted line because we require here 45 degree. So now bisect 90 degree, you will get 45 degree. How to bisect? With this arc, taking more than of this arc measurement, if you cut off the arc like this, that will be 45 degree line. Now extend this line further like this, starting from the point Q, and take this arc as RQX. In the previous construction, that is regarding sum of the two sides. Here it is difference of the two sides. Difference of the two sides will shortly here you will get it. Okay. Procedure is same. There also you have to cut off and join to the base. Further you have to do the perpendicular bisector. Here also. But in this case we have to extend it. Okay. So now after this, cut off 1.5 centimeter to the ray QX. It is 45 degree. That is angle RQX is 45 degree. Okay. So now we have to cut off the difference of the two sides. It is given, it is 1.5. Take 1.5 and cut off 1.5 here like this. This is the measurement of 1.5. So in the question the difference is 1.5. So here in the compass we have taken 1.5 and cut off 1.5. Now join that point to R. Name this point as D. So now construct like previous construction. Here also construction of the perpendicular bisector. To which side? The point where it is joined to the base level. You have to draw the bisector to DR, not to DQ. Clear? So taking more than half of DR. Draw arcs on either side like this. Cut off the forward arc so that you will get perpendicular bisector. So all these arcs should be very sharp and light. Don't go with very dark line and double line. Just make one feather touch, what we say, like that. Because that the arcs are not necessary, only we require its perpendicular bisector. So now extend the perpendicular bisector till you meet the ray QX like this. You have to extend the perpendicular bisector. You may get a distance way also, unless it meets the ray, you have to extend it. This is the point P. So after constructing the perpendicular bisector, you have to extend it till it intersects at a point P. Now join P to R. Same procedure, but in the sum of the sides, you will get here only the point of intersection. In this case, you have to extend it, then you will get the point of intersection. You have to check whether you will get a perpendicular bisector exactly. So now, if you measure PQ minus PR, you should get the difference 1.5 centimeter. Then your construction is right. Okay? You can check your construction whether it is right or not by getting the difference of PQ and PR as 1.5 centimeter. Come on, measure it. Okay, write the steps of construction now. So how to construct, that should be in step form. Okay, here this is the construction about construction of a triangle with base angle and difference of the two sides. Step 1, draw a line segment. Draw a line segment QR equals 6.2 centimeter. Step 1. Step 2, at Q, construct angle RQX equals 45 degree. Next, cut off the ray QX at D such that QD equals 1.5 centimeter. This is QD. QD equals 1.5 centimeter. Step 4. Join DR. I will underline this and draw the bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Extend the bisector to meet QD at point P. At point P. Extend the bisector to meet QD at point P. Join PR. Measure QP, PQ and PR such that PQ minus PR equals 1.5 centimeter. 1 point, I am dictating, so don't give middle. I can't. Here, if you want to see here, you can't see there. That's why simultaneously I am repeating the statement. You have to listen and write the statement. Such that PQ minus PR equals 1.5 centimeter. Now, triangle PQR is the required triangle. So only difference with the previous to this is, for the sum you will get intersection here itself, directly you will join. For the difference, the cutting off is here only. You have to extend the perpendicular bisector till you get the extended part of intersection. From there you have to join the base. And you can verify your construction if you measure PQ and PR. If the difference is 1.5 point, half error is okay. Okay, then only your construction is correct. Clear? Okay, I will move on to the same type of question. Next question. Construct a triangle ABC in which construct a triangle ABC in which BC equals 8 centimeter and B equals 45 degree and AB minus AC equals 3.5 centimeter. So this is the construction of a triangle where base angle and difference of two sides given. It's clear? Now first step is draw a line segment BC equals 8 centimeter. Construct here BC equals 8 centimeter. Immediately name the segment below the segment, mention its measurement. Now the base angle is 45 degree, construct here 90 degree and then further bisect it. 45 degree, for that we require 90 degree construction, then its bisection. For 90 degree with convenient radius, draw an arc. Okay. This is 90 degree. Show the 90 degree line with dotted line. Now the next step is, what is the next step? You have to do the bisection of this 90 degree. You all know how to bisect an angle. From here, taking more than half of this arc, draw an arc, cut off the former arc. Okay, na? Cut off the former arc, then passing through that intersected arc, draw a line, name this angle as CBX. This is 45 degree. Okay, na? Now they have given difference of two sides, that is AB minus AC. Instead of giving direct measurement, they have given sum of the sides, difference of the sides. So that's why we call this specific types of triangles. Okay. So difference of the two sides is 3.5. Cut off 3.5 here. Name the point as G and then join D to C. D to C. Next step is you have to construct the perpendicular bisector to DC. Perpendicular bisector to DC. How? Taking more than half, putting on both the sides like this. With the former arc, you have to cut off with the same radius. Is it clear? Taking more than half, draw arcs on both the sides. With this, cutting off the former arc. Now, join those two intersected arcs. So, extend till you get the intersection line. You have to intersect by extending the line. You need more place for the intersecting lines like this. So this is the point A. We have to extend the line till it meets BD produced at A. Yavadana? Perpendicular bisector you have to extend. When it extend, as it is, it won't intersect unless you make this BD to produce. So that from the point of intersection, now join A to C. And if you measure, the difference will be AB minus AC equals 3.5 centimeter. If this is correct, your construction is perfect. So check your construction by measuring and finding the difference. Clear? Do it. Yes, it's perfect. Okay. Now try to write up the steps of construction. Draw the line segment. Draw the line segment. BC equals 8 centimeter. Construct angle CBX equals 45 degree. Cut off. I'll check it. You have to write for each construction its steps. Without steps it is meaningless. Clear? Cut off the ray BX at D such that BD equals 3.5 centimeter and join DC. Join DC. Okay, na? Next. Shall I write here? Draw a perpendicular bisector and extend it to a point A. Next point, join AC and measure. Join AC and measure AB and AC. AB minus AC equals 3.5 centimeter. So ABC is the required triangle. This is the triangle. Just to shade it. If you have the color pencil, you can shade it. Otherwise, using pencil, very minute shading. Don't paste it. Don't use sketch pen also. Either color pencil or using your pencil. Okay. You have one more type of this. This is case 1 where you have the difference of left minus right difference. Suppose if the difference is right minus left, I am telling AB minus AC is left minus right. Suppose AC minus AB, then it is left minus right minus left. In such case, we have another way of constructing the triangle. I will show you now. Okay, based on that we will have the question also. Take the steps, complete your construction, then I will move on to the next construction. Okay, if you complete, show, I will proceed. Okay. So this is case 1 condition where we have the difference left minus right. Now I am going to do the construction. There you have right minus left. Take the question. Constructed triangle PQR. Construct a triangle PQR in which QR equals 6 centimeter, angle Q equals 60 degree, and PR minus PQ equals 2 centimeter. It is not PQ minus PR, it is PR minus PQ, right minus left. So take the heading as case 2. Case 1 is what we have constructed. It is left minus right, AB minus AC. In this case, it is PR minus PQ. Instead of making PQ minus PR, it is PR minus PQ. In such case, we have to extend the construction further to avoid the extension of the intersecting lines. Just see what is the first step here. QR measurement is 6 centimeter. Take 6 centimeter here. Using scale and pencil, take 6 centimeter. Write down 6 centimeter. Okay. Now the base angle is 60 degree. So construct, 60 degree construction without using protractor, using only ruler and compass. From here you draw with a convenient radius 1 r, and if you cut off, that will be 60 degree. Clear? Now extend the line like this. But it is PR minus PQ. As case 2, we have to extend the ray like this. Name it as QY. Clear? Since here it is right minus left, PR minus PQ, after constructing 60 degree, extend the ray HQ to backward, downward here, and name it as Y here. Okay? Now the difference is 2 centimeter. Using your compass, cut off 2 centimeter here. Cut off 2 centimeter. Okay? Name that point as D. Name the point as D and join the R. After constructing 60 degree, you have to extend the line downward and cut off the difference here and join D to R. After joining, next step is constructing its perpendicular bisector. And you know how to construct a perpendicular bisector, taking more than half, cutting on both the side. Okay. Now join the intersected arcs. You will get a perpendicular. Okay, we continue. So now measure PR and PQ. Not PQ and PR. It is given PR minus PQ. So measure PR, measure PQ. The difference should be 2 centimeter. Check it whether you will get 2 centimeter difference. See the difference. The difference should be 2 centimeter. Have you all got the difference 2 centimeter? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now write up its steps of construction. Step 1. Draw a line segment. Draw a line segment. QR equals 6 centimeter and construct angle RQX equals 60 degree. So this is type 2 where you have the difference right minus left. In the previous construction the difference was left minus right. Got the difference? You have to check. For right minus left you have to extend it downward. Otherwise directly as usual what we use for addition sum of the two sides given, that procedure only. Okay na? Construct angle RQX equals 60 degree. Next, second point. Extend the ray XQ to Y and cut off the ray QY at D such that QD equals 2 centimeter. QD equals 2 centimeter. Next, now join BR and draw the perpendicular bisector to DR intersecting QX at P. Intersecting QX at P. Join PR. Measure PR and PQ. Join PR. Measure PR and PQ. Such that what you get? PR minus. If somebody calls in the middle, you will have this distraction. Please try to adjust. Okay. Don't give any messages. I will immediately switch off this, switch on it. Okay. Unless from external if call comes, this is happening. I think you might have knowing all these disturbances. Please, those who are in group, don't call me. So suppose if unknowns, I cannot help. You got PR minus PQ equals 2 centimeter difference. Is it clear? It should be neat. You have to write up the steps also, and along with that you have to mention the measurement. Naming of the figure is also must. It's clear? Take one more question now. Construct a triangle PQR. Another question. Construct a triangle PQR. Construct triangle PQR in which QR equals 5.4 centimeter, angle Q equals 30 degree, PQ minus PR equals 3.5 centimeter. PQ minus PR equals 3. This is case 1. What I constructed before, it was case 2. PQ minus PR means very good. The difference 2 centimeter. Okay. Now start doing the construction. Draw line segment QR equals 5.4 centimeter. 5.4 centimeter. Is it clear now? So using scale, first draw QR equals 5.4 centimeter. Take it from the base. Is it clear? Can you see the baseline here? Okay. It is, name it and write up its measurement 5.4 centimeter. Here the angle dimension is 30 degree. That means 60 and its half. Bisect the 60 degree line. You will get at Q, construct first 30 degree, 60 degree. Further bisecting you will get 30 degree. So together I constructed, but I will show for 60 degree as a dotted line. This is not required. Okay. Now this is the required line. I will extend like this. Okay. So after 60 degree, if you bisect 30 degree and name that as RQX. Now see the difference. What is the difference mentioned? The difference is 3.5. Using your compass, cut off 3.5 centimeter. From here, cut off 3.5 centimeter. Join that point, name the point as D. I am using always same letters X, D, Y to avoid the confusion from your side. Okay. Now join D to R. Now the next step is you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. Do the perpendicular bisector here. What you will get? Taking more than half, cutting on both sides, draw the arcs like from here, cut off the arc. Now try to join the ray by joining this bisector. As it is, if you want bisect like some of the two sides, you have to extend the line further. This bisector as well as the ray. Till it meets, you have to extend the line like this. Extend this bisector also. Okay? It may go beyond your book. So try to show always the difference question from the bottom. So now we got the point of intersection at P. Join P to R. Join P to R like this. Now you measure PQ and PR. The difference should be 3.5 centimeters. Check your construction by measuring it. Hansini is present. Hansini. I am asking Hansini. Why you are not see the board? It is clear only. Hansini present. Molia TR present. Vismaya present. What instruction? Steps of construction you are asking? Steps of construction for all those I gave you. For this you try to answer. What is the step you have to do? Punya from St. Joseph School. Punya. Arya SJCE. Okay. Now take one more question for practice. Take the question. Construct a triangle ABC. I will write here. Can you see? Homework question. Construct triangle ABC in which BC equals 7.2 centimeter, angle B equals 60 degree, and AB plus AC 10.2 centimeter. This is the construction when sum of the sides base and base angles are given. One more question. This is question number 1. Question number 2. Construct triangle XYZ where YZ equals 5.2 centimeter, angle Y equals 45 degree, XY minus XZ equals 2 centimeter. Okay, you have to construct and write along with this the steps of construction also. You have to construct these two questions. So you have the last part of the construction of the triangle when perimeter and its base angles are given. So that we will continue in the next class. Take these two questions as homework. So after completion of the construction, again you will get one worksheet based on the construction with extra problems. You have only one more tag flat that I will do in next Thursday class. Okay? Take down the question. Have you all taken the question? Prajwal? Yes? You will get on the either in the email ID or in the WhatsApp, not in the tuition class. Don't ask again and again the same question. I know that tomorrow's instruction will be given through the link. Try to practice the chapter polynomial. That's all. Before that you will get the instruction. Timings are already mentioned. You will get the link and the instruction. We know that we are more very worried about the test than you people. Your part is to only practice and get ready. We will send it. Take down the question you are taken. Shall I close now? Okay, thinking that you are done. So I will continue one more type of construction in the next Thursday class. Meanwhile, you will get the assignment also. Thank you, Samhita. Thank you very much.